welcome to the Mindful Dashboard. Today, we're exploring something simple but deeply helpful. Why I use Notion for structure and Obsidian for thinking. 2 tools, 2 roles, 1 calm workflow. No pressure, no overwhelm, just clarity. Most tools try to do everything, but clarity comes from separation. Notion is where I organize my life. Obsidian is where I understand my life. Structure on one side, thoughts on the other. A gentle balance. Notion holds my days, my weeks, my plans. It's a calm place for decisions, tasks, projects, routines. It's structured, predictable, designed to help me move forward, not to think, but to act. And this is why Notion is not for thinking. It looks clean and organized, but that's the problem. It gives ideas a structure before they're ready. Rows, columns, databases. But real thinking needs space, freedom, movement. Notion is perfect for planning, not for exploring ideas. Obsidian feels different. It's quiet, light, open, a place where thoughts unfold naturally, without structure, without pressure, without rules, just you and your ideas. In Obsidian, I write freely. Short lines, fragments, moments of clarity. And then, the magic. Links form, ideas connect, patterns appear. This is real thinking, not storage, but growth. In my daily life, it works like this. Ideas begin in Obsidian. They grow, evolve, take shape, and only when they become clear, I move them into Notion, into a task, a plan, a project I can execute. Obsidian helps me think. Notion helps me act. Balanced, gentle, clear. For example, when I get a new video idea, I write it in Obsidian. Just thoughts, questions, angles. And when the idea becomes real, it moves into Notion as a complete project. 2 tools, 2 stages, 1 smooth workflow. When thinking and planning live together, they interrupt each other. Ideas pull you away from tasks. Tasks pull you away from ideas. But when each tool has its own purpose, your mind feels lighter, your work feels calmer, your days feel clearer. So, here it is, Notion for structure, Obsidian for thinking, 2 energies working together in one intentional system. If this brought you a bit of clarity, feel free to like and subscribe, and tell me what you'd love to explore next. Thank you for being here.